Welcome to Wacky Wednesday. Just kidding. It's Gaming Wednesday. Not really like it doesn't go together good, and I get that. But also, guess what? I am about to play some video games for you. Not like I'm that entertaining because I don't know, maybe I am a little bit entertaining. You know what I mean? But I think I'm doing something here. So, we got a couple games lined up. Not for just this video because it's going to be more than just a today kind of thing. I got that new game that everybody's been going crazy for. If it'll load, then I got that new game. But if not, we got Minecraft. That's always a good backup. I love Minecraft. I've been playing Minecraft since Minecraft came out, if I'm going to be 100% honest with you. But I'm just trying to find a good way to spice up the month and see what kind of maybe this is like a thing that I end up really having something for. What if I'm so good at gaming? Options, bro. I'm trying to like okay. Okay. Okay, so I played this game a little bit yesterday. I think I'm going to put some of that in now.
April 1973. Tragedy and despair have struck Central Texas. A young college student named Maria Flores has seemingly vanished without a trace. The events surrounding Maria's disappearance would be just one of the many bizarre crimes later known as the Texas Chainsaw Massacre.
This is an online game? Where am I? Leatherface, Sissy, Cook. That's me. What? What the fuck? Oh. I'm ready, baby. About to close it out.
Why are you smacking him?
Oh, sorry.
Go put it on the door, bruh.
I don't know. I'm not very that... Hello. What kind of English was that? I'm not that impressive. I won't lie. And now I can't make my game full screen. Man, that's annoying. That's really annoying. Okay, anywho. Said today I think I was going to play as a victim because yesterday I was doing the family and I'm just not very good at it, I don't think. And I was getting very fucking irritated. I'm not going to lie. Like 4 minutes, 51 seconds. What the fuck is that even for? To find me a game? Call of Duty would have never, okay? Like, come on. It was because I was in between fucking things. We're going like this for a little bit. It's alright. It is what it is. Oh, that was quick. Okay. It wasn't even 4:52. So, they're doing something there. How do I get my settings up? I need to get the volume up so I can hear these people. Fuck hearing me at this point. We gotta get serious because I cannot, okay, so also, like, a fun fact about me is I don't like scary stuff. Scary stuff really isn't my thing. I haven't even seen this movie before, but it seems really cool. Everyone was kind of talking about it, and I did buy the movie, well, rent it on Apple TV, so I'm going to watch that on my days off this week. So maybe next time I play, I'll actually know where things are at and stuff. I don't know, my wife seems to think that it's going to help me out, and she's pretty smart, so maybe she's got something going for me here. And it's taking forever to load again. Oh, okay. Stay quiet, stay hidden. Find useful items. Unlock exits. Okay. Okay. Escape the family. Dude, I'm fucked. I already know it. I'm not good at this. I don't even remember who I am. Y'all are getting too crazy. Why are you being so noisy? I'm out. I'm just not trying to be as noisy as everybody else, but clearly that doesn't fucking matter around here.
Oh my god. What are they doing to me?
Yeah, what are they doing to me? Because Okay, but was that person trying to fuck me over? Because I just had to click E again to get it closed. So did they just leave and then close it again? Requires tool to unlock.
Who the hell are these people?
Okay, but also when I was playing last night, it was not allowing me.
I can use that.
Yeah, I'm taking that because fuck the rest of them. Y'all wasn't on my side before. What's going on over there? What is this thing around me? I'm losing blood. How do I use that? Damn it. I'm bleeding out. He's fucking got me, bro. That scared the fuck out of me. Ah, man. Okay, see. Did you see me jump? I said, oh. That's not even cool, bro. Damn. You fucking got my ass. You about to chain me up or what? Yeah, I'm fucking gone. I'm gone. She escaped the basement. That's what the fuck I'm talking about. Let's spectate for a second because where's my other teammate? She's out the basement. He's still in the basement. You need to hurry up and get something because he's down there. I was down there, bro. These motherfuckers don't know what's going on. See how you crouch down like that? I'm sitting here clicking random buttons and it doesn't do nothing for me. Nothing. Okay, look at her. Yeah, keep a lookout. They're talking to each other. Why y'all didn't talk to me? No. Fuck yeah. Get him. Get him. Get him. Get him. Yes. He's cut, but what now? I get it. Like, you could almost hide anything in here, but they really gotta look. I'm new to this. I've never played a game like this before. My friend said that it's better than Friday the 13th or something like that, and I've never even played that before. When I say I grew up on, like, strictly Minecraft, I grew up on strictly Minecraft. So this is going to be a lot of me failing in this. Now you're fucked. Your footprints were found. You should have dusted them off. He's outside? Is he outside? The grandpa? Is he ever outside getting some fresh air? Or they keep his ass inside locked up? I feel like he'd get really dehydrated from that. Queefus. Sorry, that's fucking interesting. Grandpa level 2. Keep still to avoid detection by grandpa. I mean, honestly, this grandpa's got super senses because I don't think I'm going to have senses like this when I'm old. Did you know that that was a bad guy, or... Because why the fuck did you just run at her like that, knowing that... Yeah, fucking... Yeet her ass out, because she was fucked up for that. She came up... Oh, shit. Oh, shit. What does that mean? No, he's gonna die. Fucking run, bro. Run. Yeah, take a second. Take a second. Go, go, go. He's behind you. What the fuck are you doing? Why? Move, move. Move. Door unlocked. The gas station. Man. I don't think he's gonna make it, folks. I really don't. Leland, I don't even know. Mauschlong. That's a good one. But no, I don't even understand what's gonna happen with him because he's really, that health is really low, to be honest with you. I didn't even think I'd be spectating him for this long. Dude. so good. He's the only reason that the fucking grandpa died. Or was immobilized, whatever the fuck they want to call it. That motherfucker dead. He got stabbed. There we fucking go. She was the he was the distraction. And now they're gonna fucking rush and try and get over to her real quick. So, as the killers, can you run? Because I couldn't. Unless there's a special button for it, and I could not figure that shit out. So, I don't know if I can run or not as a killer, and maybe that's why I like being this. Oh, she's fucking gone. Gone. Allie is fucking gone. That is what the fuck I'm talking about. Okay, my results, 1 level up. I'm almost to level 2. I had no strategy, but I also feel like these people are teamed up. I'm pretty not confident though. That's my problem, I think, is that I don't go into it confident, and I forgot that I can't fucking touch anything. Oh, okay. I got a big again. That's what's up. I recorded the podcast yesterday, and I started my JEP. Oh, fuck. Never mind. Oh, they're waiting for a Leatherface. Slaughterhouse Day. So this is different than where I was just at. You fucking kidding me? Because I just got, like, pretty confident in that. Anywho, I got barely anything done on it, but it's looking good. You know what I mean? Oh, wait, do I have to ready? Yeah. I'm ready. Julie and fucking Sunny, where are you at? I'm still a level 0. I could have swore I fucking leveled up, bro. You gotta level up again for it to show, or you gotta play longer than 2 minutes in the fucking game? I'm a little confused there. That seems a little fucked up to me. That's all I'm gonna say. Y'all got me fucked up. Got me fucked up. And like so I noticed something about like this Lego set compared to other ones. So these are like long. I can't see if you guys can see this, to be honest with you, but they're not pushed all the way through in the picture, and they have it half, you know what I mean? So it's like you gotta really pay attention, which that's what's up to me. But they're really gonna have us wait this 2 fucking minutes, bro. Ready up already. Come on. Okay, so I'm Connie. Was I Connie last time too?
Hey,
I can't remember.
Hey, ready up, nigga.
I have absolutely no skills. And that one girl got out way quicker than me, but I'm cool with that because, bitch, you made so much noise. I want to keep my noise level down. See, I feel like that's what they're missing is you can't just... You got to focus. You got to keep that noise level down, bro. Okay, so we both got out at a good time. Should we team up? Should we team up together? Yeah, we do got to get out of here. Okay, go ahead. With your bad self. See, okay, he did the due diligence of fucking just leaving the door open, though. Which, thank you, because the last chick, guy, whoever the fuck, just closed that shit on me. And I think that was fucked up. That shit was loud as hell on my headphones. I gotta... Okay. I'm scared. I'm gonna get cold. I'm gonna just freeze in this bitch, get hypothermia. Because I swear I heard him. Survive for 1 minute, baby. Hey, the longest I've survived. Shh. Because I hear somebody and I know. Girl, shut the fuck up. Why she... If you don't shut up, you're not gonna survive. I'm gonna have to exit and run. I did not exit and run. I don't know where to go because I'm not opening no fucking door. No one's dead yet. I don't hear the chainsaw massacre guy. Which is that, hey, that's cool with me. These stickers need to get the fuck on. Okay. I'm doing a little bit better now. Okay. Okay.
This might lead to the others.
Will it though? Because I feel like man's just left me. I feel like I see no sign of any other person here besides myself. Which leads me to believe that I'm just gonna die, which, I mean... What did I say? Fuck, what did I say? Damn it. At this point, just sacrifice my ass every round. It's because these people are patient and I am not. I am not. Like, come on, how quick is it gonna happen? Because they're still all in the basement. She just got out. They both just got out. Okay. That's what the fuck is up. I mean, props to them. Okay, because he followed. Pussy.
Be quiet.
You couldn't do it on your own? I couldn't. But, like, where are they getting these tools? Because I don't see no tools. All these little white dots that I see to fucking go and look at. It's like, hide here. Open this. It's never a damn tool. But no, for real. What do I fucking... Am I supposed to use my toenail to pick a lock? This is ridiculous. Yeah, this is awful. Damn. Run, run. Go, go, go. See, I like the tactic that the last people had because they kept going back to the basement, back up, back to the basement, back up. I think that really helped them because they could go down there, heal up. And then she ended up making her way. Like, I'm telling you, these people are probably, like, talking to each other. You got this. Stay alive for longer than a minute. Get out of the basement. Stay quiet and hidden. Find useful items. I keep finding just fucking medical, which is useful, but not really. Unlock exits, because see, I can't unlock shit with a medical tape. Escape the family. They keep fucking in me. And how do they fucking ram people? Because you can't ram Leatherface, can you? Okay. I'm out.
To find the others.
Is that me? That's a pighead. Okay.
Where's this go?
So fuck opening a door. Because I don't want him to fucking find me. Health. You never know when you might need it.
This'll help. Anything will help.
I really don't know what I can use this for.
A knife.
Okay.
Wait. No, it's not.
I'm about to fuck it up. Okay, come at me again, motherfucking leather fuck. Leather stupid fuck. I got a fucking bone knife, mother fricker. Okay, fuck. Because why are y'all fucking clickety-clacking around like we're fucking tap dancing and shit? That's fucking annoying. Requires a tool. I don't have a tool.
This is a nightmare.
I'm not the first one fucking killed. I'm not the first one killed. Yeah, that's right, motherfucker. And you wanted to be that stupid fucker. They're in here with me. Okay, technically I'm not the second either then. You gotta keep it quiet. You gotta keep it quiet. I'm fucking focused, bro. I don't even know what to say anymore. I'm not the first one dead. I can't talk shit no more. I'm out here.
What do I do with this?
Oh shit, I lost my bone. God damn it. Can I still stab a motherfucker with this screwdriver? Oh, I'm going fucking nice and slow. There's a door right over there. Right fucking over there, bro. Is that smoke or is that someone? Is that smoke? Is that smoke? Because who's down here with me? Did anyone make it out of the basement? Fuck. I'm getting nervous. Okay. 1. No. Okay. Okay, you ready? Okay, hold on. I've never made it this far before, you guys. This is getting fucking real. This is getting real. Okay? I'm getting. Okay. We gotta get the fuck out. 3, 2. I think there's a door over there, but that might just be the fucking light. There is. Okay. 3, 2. Okay, 3.
Stay strong. Gotta find the others.
3. I'm just looking for any reason to not go. I can't, dude. I've survived for 5. You running from someone? Is that the door I was thinking of?
We never should have come here.
I mean, yeah, because why the fuck would you come here? I don't want to swap anything for health, motherfucker. I already got health. I don't know if you see that in my little fucking bar there. But if you got a knife that I could fucking have, that would be dope. Or a door I could pick so I don't feel so fucking useless right now. Son of a bitch. I can hear him. I'm fucked. I'm fucked. Stop moving. Why is she moving her head? Stop. Don't move. Please stop moving. I do not want to go through there again. Okay, we're about to go through here. Because I don't want to open this damn door. Pressure gate exit opened. I should have followed him. But see, now that means that they're going to go towards that way. That's him. That's my boy. They're waiting for us to come up, I feel like. But where? Where are they waiting for us to come up? Hey, bro. Oh, space.
Oh my god, Sally. Are you hurt?
Can you talk to them all? Fuck. Okay. I hope y'all not moving because if you get me fucking... Run, brother. Run! Son of a bitch! Go! I've never made it outside before. Damn it. Yeah, I know. I'm fucking done. I know it. She's a fucking trooper, bro. Because how do you even fucking hit these motherfuckers? Did he just give up on me?
It's too quiet. I don't like this. Somebody help me.
Okay, but like, I'm outside. I have no health. I made it outside. I mean, really, what more could you want? Okay? Third time's a charm, baby. Sometimes you just gotta try 3 times. Is this blue or this... What is that? Red and yellow happening because I'm low on health? Damn, I'm fucked. They're right fucking there. I'm not moving. Okay, but does moving my camera from side to side count? One more hit and I'm done. Also, she has that weird run thing. Okay, so it's almost powered up. I don't know if the spacebar activates that or if my fucking mouse activates that, but I never hit it. So am I getting it right? Damn. Damn. Who's Allie? I have no plan. And I think I just need to fucking wing it and go. Why? I can't just not move. Like, I'm just gonna sit here in the same spot the whole time? Because I'm pretty sure that's health right there in front of me. Right? So I think I should grab the health. I don't really want to end up in a building. Maybe run through that gap.
It can't be. Right?
And then I really don't know what. I don't have a knife. I don't have anything to fucking kill these people with. Pressure gate exit opened. Fuck!
Shit.
Shit. Damn it. That was the way out. See, I don't really know who's who. Maybe I do need to watch this stuff.
Would have been so much easier for you, sunshine.
So did she open it to trick us? Don't go over there. Bro, don't go over there. Don't go over there. They're trying to fucking trick you. Bitches, bro. Fucking bitches. Don't move. Don't move. Because he sees you. Okay. Oh my god. Go, 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 go. They're starting to fucking close everything up. Grandpa at maximum. Bro, no. No, you fucking got this, bro. I mean, you got 3 of them fucking coming after you, but yeah, you got this. He closed it? Oh no, okay. Fuck. Damn. Fuck Grandpa. What the hell he gonna do? He can't even lift himself up out the chair. Damn it. Man. That was a good game though, because I stayed alive for a long ass time. Stayed alive for one... Hold up. Stayed alive for 1 minute, 5 minutes, and I wasn't the first one dead. I made it outside, and then almost out the fucking gate, bro. I didn't do any of that on my own, but I think if I tried hard enough, I probably could. If you got a team, you definitely can. It's a lot different, I feel like, when you got a team. How did I only get that much? Is it because... Hold on. Is it because I was a different person? See, I don't understand this stuff. Thanks for watching today's video. I think next time we might do a little bit of Minecraft or something. I'm not 100% sure there. I do want to dive into a little bit of Minecraft just because I grew up playing Minecraft. I gotta show some love to Minecraft, man. That's the only game I do know how to play. Y'all might actually get impressed by me. I'm not joking. But until then, this is what we got for you today was the Texas Chainsaw Massacre game. We'll do good next week. And like always, for the month of September, I will see you tomorrow.